Hey everybody, this is Lee from Poplar Studio. I have been working in the greenhouse today and I am going to show you how I'm going to pot up some Lysimachia plugs. This is also called Creeping Jenny. It's one of my favorite annuals to use. It's actually a perennial. That's the secret of this plant. I use it a lot to lighten up dark spaces because this can handle both shade and sun. And so I got these as little plugs and I want to put them in pots so that they're a little bit more rooted so that I can use them for container arrangement. So that's pretty much it. The pots, I just had to put some potting mix in them. It turns out I needed to put just a little bit more than I normally would because it's dry. One of the things I could have done is put water in the potting mix first so that this would have been the right height. And then I just poked a hole in with my finger, dropped the plug in, tapped it so that it's secure, and then I'll water them and then put them on the tables and we're all done. So can't wait to see these little guys in spring containers here soon. So see you later. Bye.